As a person who is legally blind, many people find the fact that I mountain bike to be quite impressive. But what I think is more difficult, challenging, rewarding, and impressive is my ability to use technology. But my ability to use and learn technology after my vision loss would not have been possible if I didn't also try to figure out how to continue to mountain bike. So how did mountain biking blind help me learn technology? Let me explain. At the age of 16, a condition called LHON caused me to go through severe central vision loss and become legally blind. At that time, I was getting more and more into mountain biking and even did my first competitive race, as racing was something that I wanted to get into. As my vision loss first started, I quickly thought that I wouldn't be able to mountain bike anymore. Simultaneously, I was learning how to use new assistive technologies to keep up in school, like magnification programs, screen readers, learning to type without seeing the keyboard, and much more. Technology and mountain biking were both very important for me to learn, but technology was seemingly more important since it affected more areas in my life that would empower me in my future with school, college, work, hobbies, and more. But I would have to say relearning technology would not have been possible if it wasn't for me relearning how to mountain bike. I believe to tackle any big challenge in life, especially those that come unexpected, it's important to have a strong mindset. For me, relearning how to do school and use new technology was not that fun at the beginning. And what I needed was a challenge that was fun to overcome. For me, was mountain biking, to help build a positive mindset, to realize that I can adapt and overcome a challenge that I face in my life. Through the support of family and friends that believed in me, they showed me that I could continue to ride, but we would just have to find a new way to do it. Through literal blood, sweat, and tears, I've been able to relearn how to ride by using a guide that rides in front of me and talks me through the trail. I've been able to progress my riding beyond what I ever thought would be possible. And recently, I was even able to complete a technical enduro mountain bike race. This helped reinforce the mindset of being able to adapt and overcome way more than I ever thought was possible. So as more and more frustrations and challenges came up with technology, I was able to use that mindset I gained from mountain biking and know that I can adapt and overcome all of those challenges with a strong mindset. There are many challenges of vision loss that are not that fun, but it's about finding something you do find fun to be able to figure out how you can adapt and overcome any challenge that you may face. Check out one of these videos next to see how I use cameras as a visually impaired person and have continued to develop this mindset to do so much with technology in my life.